If you've ever installed MD compression fittings on 75, 90 or 110mm PE pipe, you'll know this can be a difficult and time-consuming task. Here are the Zero Force MD compression fittings, which are designed to save time and make the installation of MD compression fittings on large size PE pipe easy. As the name suggests, the Zero Force fittings are designed to allow the pipe insertion into the fitting with much less force and without disassembling the fitting. Once you have inserted the fitting right up to the shoulder, the compression nut tightens and compresses the O-ring onto the outside of the pipe, giving you a leak-free connection. To ensure optimum quality, these fittings are manufactured from the highest quality raw materials and are designed to have a long lifespan. These fittings are available in sizes 75 to 110mm, and for further information, reach out to our team.